trying to figure out how to use Pro Tools?
There's gotta be something else.
Do you wish you had industry professionals to help guide you through the process? This is ProMedia Training.
Welcome to ProMedia Training. For over 20 years, we have been the longest-running, Avid certified Pro Tools training center in the world.
And today I'd like to take you through a journey of recording a piano track.
I'm ready.
Whether you're taking an in-person or an online class, we have an experience like no other.
And once we're inside Pro Tools, we're going to make sure that we name our track, and we're going to call that piano. We've done that by double-clicking on the track name.
All right.
This isn't your ordinary Zoom class.
As a matter of fact, it's not a Zoom class at all.
We're using high-definition audio and video to give you a fully interactive training experience without the limitations of traditional online learning.
So whether you're a long-standing industry professional
Or a beginner with Pro Tools.
Come and find out why we've been the leader in serving the professional audio engineering community since 2002.